You know you need to be doing calf raises to get those big old honking calves, not to mention if you want stronger ankles. However, if you're getting pain in those ankle joints, keep watching. I'm going to show you how to do calf raises without causing pain in those ankles. Coach Matt Pippin here, and over the last 15 years, I've helped over 1,000 professional, collegiate, and everyday athletes move, feel, and perform at their highest level. Now, usually when calf raises are performed, the ankles have a tendency of rolling away from each other, kind of like this. You see how my ankle bones are spreading? We call it inversion. If you've ever rolled that ankle, then this motion is even more likely to happen. To eliminate that, we're going to take a yoga block, and we're going to place it right in between our ankles, and that's going to prevent this motion. Now, this sounds super easy, guys, but trust me, this is going to leave your calves on fire because it's just making your ankles work in a little bit more of a strict motion. So typically we do calf raises kind of hanging off of a step. That way we can get as much dorsiflexion, which is our heels going past our toes. But for this, guys, I would start out on a flat surface just because you kind of get the hang of it. And also use something for balance. A lot of times we like to do stuff like this and not worry about our balance. The problem is, then guess what you're focusing on? You're focusing on making it a balance exercise, when the whole point of the drill is to make it a better ankle exercise. So swallow your pride, do something. So I'm going to take this right here, and I'm just going to squeeze it right in between my ankles. Super, super easy. From here, I'm going to use the balance object, and I'm going to slowly come up on my toes. I'm going to hold as high as I can. At this point, I'm trying to crush the life out of this yoga block. You are going to feel this in a completely different way, and then you're going to slowly come back down. Make sure you just got the yoga block so it doesn't hit anything. If you don't have a yoga block, you can take like a big old towel at your gym. Whatever you got, just use something that you can kind of crush together. So once again, I'm going to come up, squeeze the block, come straight up, hold, and slowly come down. Now, once you kind of get the gist of this, try it without the yoga block and see what happens. See if your ankles are still kind of fanning out like that. If they are, go back and keep using the yoga block until you kind of nailed this pattern. Now your next progression on this is once you feel like you can do like 20 of these without it killing you, then go back to like your normal step off, or you can even progress to like, your calf machine with the weight on your back. Same kind of thing, you just progressively overload just like you would any other exercise. So give this a try the next time you're in the gym. And if you guys have any questions on this, be sure to post them below in the comment section. If you guys like these tips, go ahead and hit me up with a like or a share so I know what you guys want to see more of. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you're not missing out on all the awesome content we have coming your way. Until next time, guys, remember to be strong, be mobile, and take care of those calves.